I'm a very sociable person, so I talk a lot with everybody. Networking was great because I could find people around me that they were working and they could give me advice how to go for the job. And then I just followed what I've learned in the module.
Don't be afraid. Networking is your best friend. You know people, you have friends, you have family, you even have neighbors who might be working there or might know someone. There's always someone who knows someone.
If you are not comfortable in networking, just find what you are comfortable with. Send CVs. Be more active in sending CVs. But you will get to the point when you will have a face-to-face conversation, so you really have to get ready for this and just train yourself. If you are shy, train yourself in the mirror. Just talk in the mirror. Ask yourself questions, answer.